Hello, this is John of Art and I'm at the Talisay PNP, Talisay Police Station. What am I doing here? To file a police blotter. On what? Let's find out. Come on, let's file our case here. Police in Ilonggo is still police but spelled that way. Here at the Talisay Police Precinct filing a police blotter, desk officer Okher. So, I'm having an incident report recorded here at the Talisay Police Station. Blotter, there's no Ilonggo word for blotter, so just blotter. Report, also no Ilonggo word for ang sungka yan, surrender. Surrender yan, sungka. Kung blotter yan, wala Ilonggo sa blotter.
Napa-record, napa-put in record sa mga incident ko natabo.
Sungka is surrender, but I'm not a surrendery. I'm a complainant here, tagreklamo. And the one you're complaining against is
Respondent.
Respondent. Naman Ilonggo sa respondent.
Kung nakusahan, magtanong
Ginakusahan, pero hindi ko man siya accused, di ba? Kaya wala pa man case. Sa Hall of Justice, ako serve over. In Ilonggo, ginlalas ang ribbon.
Slash, yes.
So, hindi ba? Slash is like, if you slash something, it's with a sharp object. But with his hands, he grabbed the ribbon and pulled it down.
Grab lang, pull it.
Grab and pull it down.
She
She is
is a fraud.
a fraud. Ginangko niya, he owned it.
This exhibit is mine. Ano siya?
Ginuyatan, he grabbed the painting, uyatan niya, kaya gin-wave it around to the public, ginwagay-wagay sa madla, ginpamahato, sold it for cheap. These paintings, I'm selling the paintings for 1,000 pesos. Hindi na yung 1,000. Nagkalakibot ang mga artist. Paano? Kumaligya eh. Niya ako mabayad sa diferensya. Yung insidente, nagtugag sa akong sang dako nga kahuyanan. Great shame and humiliation in front of all the members, in front of many people. Mano ko ng perma to sign the blotter. My police blotter is almost complete. Still, love you all.